Close your eyes for a moment. Feel the weight of your body supported beneath you, and allow your breath to become the bridge between tension and calm. Inhale gently through your nose. Hold for just a second, and exhale slowly through your mouth. With every breath out, imagine anxiety dissolving into the air. Now, count silently with me. 3. Your body begins to soften. 2. Your mind starts to slow down. 1. You drop into a deeper calm, ready to let go. Notice your jaw. It may feel tight, clenched. Imagine a golden wave flowing around it. And as you exhale, the muscles release, as if unlearning the habit of holding on. Now let this golden wave move down into your shoulders, your chest, your stomach. Each part of your body loosens, learning a new rhythm, the rhythm of peace. Deeper you relax, the deeper you drift into this hypnotic state. And the deeper you drift, the freer you become. While you stay here, let these words echo inside you. I release the tension in my body. I allow my breath to flow freely. Anxiety does not define me. Peace is my natural state. I choose calm. I choose lightness. Imagine every cell in your body repeating this mantra quietly, as if your entire system was rewiring itself into a new pattern. Free breathing, a calm mind, a lighter body. See yourself in an open space, bathed in gentle morning light. You breathe in deeply and notice the air flows easily, without resistance. Your chest expands fully, and a sense of freedom spreads through your whole body. Every breath is a reminder. I can breathe freely. I am peace. I am calm. See yourself walking through this light space, body loose, no pressure holding you back. And notice, this is your new reality. A body that breathes with ease, a mind that knows how to rest, a heart that knows how to trust. Take this feeling with you beyond this practice. Anytime your breath feels short or trapped, come back. Hear, or simply whisper to yourself, I breathe freely. I am calm. Let this new programming grow stronger each day. Now slowly bring your awareness back to the present. Move your fingers, your toes. And when you're ready, open your eyes, carrying this lightness with you. Or, if you wish, remain here listening to the soft sounds of this video. Stay in this meditative state for as long as you need, because peace isn't a luxury. Peace is your fuel, and your peace begins now. If you found calm here today, imagine what happens when you make this practice part of your daily life. By subscribing to the Sacred Brain, you unlock access to a full series of guided meditations and mind-body resets designed to help you breathe easier, release anxiety, and step into peace every single day. This is just the beginning. Each video in this series builds on the last, another step, another layer of release, another door opening into calm. So stay with us, because your journey to lasting peace is already unfolding. And now, if you can, allow yourself to stay right here, relax even deeper, and continue listening to the soft sounds playing. Let them carry you, keep you calm, and remind you that peace isn't something you wait for. Peace is something you practice. Your next step is waiting in the next video. But for now, stay here, breathe, and simply be.